Toronto has a strong history of innovation and is a great place to start a business.
Multi-diversity city.
It's very international.
Whole world in one place.
No matter where you're from, no matter what you like, I think you'll enjoy the city so far.
The atmosphere is great.
It's a perfect match of travel and business.
In person, it's even more exciting and I'm learning something every day, something new.
I got to meet a lot of people from many different backgrounds, which is the opportunity I normally don't get when I stay in my own country.
We learn how to form a proper business idea in a more organized manner.
In 2 weeks, you grow as a person, as a business person, you make a lot of new friends, new connections.
And ABC introduced me to a lot of individuals that I wouldn't have been able to reach out on myself.
They expanded our ways of thinking.
It's very beneficial for self-growth and if you want to pursue business in the future.
I really got a grasp of what entrepreneurship truly is.
Follow your passion and don't let anybody tell you to wait or you can't do something.
Fail fast or go big. You have to embrace failure, because if you're not embracing failure, you're not trying hard enough. Because if you're only trying things that you know are already successful, you're not being innovative.
Every step of the way is a learning.
Entrepreneur mindset, let's be innovative, let's try some new things.
You don't need to have a strong determination to start your own business to be here.
If you just sit in one place, you can't really come up with anything new.
Don't have something very planned, just come and have fun.
If you don't know where to start, you'll learn it here.
It's gonna be like one of the best experiences.
Anywhere ABC is going, I'm going.